Calling car 99, calling car 99. Come in, please. Well, from mid-50s, this is the ideal talking police car with light. This is pretty much a rolling crime lab, and it's a talking device. I'll get to that in just a sec, but inside the car, everything you need to solve a crime. You got a camera with a flash. Look on the dashboard. There's a phone. It's not a cell phone, but a mobile phone, telephone. And a bunch of guns, map, and yes, it does talk. Makes me want to Google 147 Broadway and see what the heck's going on over there. Now, from the 1950s, there's Ideal's talking police car.